Hello guys, today we will see how to upgrade pip in Python 3. If you don't know what is pip, then let me give a brief description about it. Pip is used to install and manage packages or library written in Python. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Just subscribe it. So let's see how to upgrade pip now. So firstly, open your command prompt on your computer. Next, let's see what version of pip we are using in. So write the command pip then dash dash version. Hit the enter. So the current pip version is 20.2.1. Now let's update it. So write the command python then a space then dash m then pip then install then a space then two dashes upgrade pip. Okay, and hit the enter. It will take some time, but after this we will get the pip. So you can see it is downloading now. Uninstalling the old version. Successfully uninstalled the old version. So you can see the old version was 20.2.1. You can see from here also. Okay, so my old pip has been uninstalled. So here you can see the pip has been installed successfully. Okay, now let's check the pip version. Type in the command pip then dash dash version. It will take some time. Just wait for a minute. So you can see the version has been changed. Previously it was 20.2.1 and now it is 20.2.2, right? If the video was helpful for you, then like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and do comment if you face any difficulties. So hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.